Hello, hello guys! Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang ating mega daughter na si Cassie Concepcion. Naalala niyo pa ba itong interview na ito sa PIP TV? Na tinanong siya kung anong masasabi niya sa dami-dami ng o katakot-takot na nabash ang natanggap ng ating pambansang kamao ni si Manny Pacquiao dahil doon nga sa pagkomento niya sa mga LGBTQ. At napaka-sweet na sagot ng ating mega daughter. Ang sabi ni Cassie Concepcion after asking kung anong masasabi niya, sumubra na ba, masyado nang nag-react ang mga publiko patungkol sa komento ng ating pambansang kamao sa mga LGBTQ. Pero ang sabi ni Cassie Concepcion, I would like to remember Manny Pacquiao as a national hero. Kaya guys, napaka-sweet na sagot ng ating mega.
Since di ko personally napanood, wala ka daw sa campaign ad ni Senator Kiko.
Yeah, actually, my family discussed this. I'm with the United Nations kasi. So we're supposed to be neutral pagdating sa politics, just to be fair.
But of course, your love for Senator
Of
Kiko.
course
always
naman,
support ka.
Of course. I mean, I love him. He's really, I love him like my father.
Yeah.
talaga.
So you can't campaign for anyone.
Not publicly, but I mean,
Okay.
of course I love him and I will vote for him. Yeah. So, pero yung for the campaign, just to be fair, my work with the UN kasi so special to me and I'm glad my family also supports me.
Ang showbiz. What's your take about, of course, the Manny Pacquiao issue? Since yun yung mainit, what do you think about yung, is it sobra na ba yung pambabash sa kanya?
I mean, I think that definitely people like us who are in the media syempre need to be careful of our words. Sometimes there are things that might be better off yung to be talked about in private. Personally, I have a lot of friends from the LGBT and I think that I maybe felt a little for them. Pero syempre, I would like to remember Manny Pacquiao as a national hero for what he did in the world of boxing and what the name of the Philippines in the international scene. So, sana hindi masayang yun. But definitely, people like us should be a little more